I'm pleased to be joined today on Health Beat by Dr. Jordan Ochs, orthopedic surgeon with Faith Regional Physician Services Orthopedics, and today we're talking about broken bones. So Dr. Ochs, when someone breaks a bone, what can be expected when you're healing that fracture?
As an orthopedic surgeon, I see patients of all ages that have fractured or broken a bone, and patients always want to know what they can expect in that healing process. The initial treatment of any fracture is usually going to include a combination of immobilization, ice and elevation, and x-rays to determine an accurate diagnosis.
Sure.
Usually that can happen in the emergency department before you meet someone like me. But by the time I see a patient, the goal is usually to get people back to normal function as quickly as possible. And we can accomplish this oftentimes with just conservative treatment, so that may include reducing or aligning the fracture if needed, followed by a cast, a brace, or possibly a sling. Other times, depending on the specifics of where the bone has broken, I may recommend a surgery to maximize function down the road and optimize that healing. Regardless, healing a bone takes time. For a child, this can be as quick as 4 to 6 weeks. Oftentimes for adults, we're talking 8 to 12 weeks before we have full healing. Luckily, the pain and discomfort from that fracture will reduce long before that full healing period. During this process, there's a few things I do generally recommend to patients to help expedite their recovery. First and foremost, it's good nutrition. Calcium and vitamin D, we want to make sure we're getting appropriate amounts of that. Additionally, the nicotine in tobacco products and even vaping these days, we know that inhibits the small blood vessels that are required to heal that fracture. So I always talk to patients about cutting that back. It can even cause the bone not to heal. So that's always an important part of it. So those are some of the things that I like to talk to patients about to help heal from a fracture.
Thanks for being here today. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So that's Health Beat, brought to you by Faith Regional Physician Services.